I'm here with Diana because the next series of videos is going to be about coats and jackets. This is my favourite jacket because of the little cute little peplum here, but it is velvet. So there's ways to fold your jackets and put them away or hang them up to protect the velvet and stop them getting fluff on. So let's fold the jacket. The first way with our jackets is that you can turn the entire sleeve inside out. So, which is what I've done. You make sure it's buttoned up, back, forwards. This has got a peplum, so we're just going to make the peplum, tuck this in like that and make it to a square. You can't fold it across because it's too bulky, so you fold it down, get the arm, do it diagonally down to meet the hem. You do the same with the other side, diagonally down to meet the hem. They don't have to cross, they can just meet like that. Meeting like that is better, it gives you more room. Then you fold in half. Fold it in half. With the collar, you can turn the collar back out, or you can have the collar turned in. I've just turned the collar out because it just looks nicer. The choice is yours. Then you fold. You fold it up to meet. Fix the shoulder, and you're done. If it's quite a long bit hanging out, you can do this with a coat, is that you slightly open at the shoulders, and because this has got a bit you can tuck in, you can try and tuck it in. And your jacket is done. Turn it round. Swish. Good to go. When you're traveling, you don't necessarily need to fold it up small because it's going to be on the bottom of your suitcase. So what you do is, because this has got a fancy peplum tail, get that flat so that the entire body is making a square. Get the arms inwards diagonally into meet at the middle, both sides, in at the middle, and then you fold in half, and you just pop that along one side of the suitcase. If you've got two jackets, you've got one there and the other one on the other side, and you're done, you're ready. That's lining your suitcase. Or if you're only taking one jacket, you literally just pack it like that, the back up with the sleeves flat so that the front is protected. It's not getting anything on, because that's what people see. Sleeves are done, you're good. This is the way that I normally do, because I don't like folding shoulders and jackets. It's a bit fiddly. So get the velvet, make sure your buttons are done up, because that just makes life so much easier, especially when you're storing. And then we're going to turn it inside out, and we're not going to touch the sleeves, we're just going to turn it inside out. Ready? Go! Grab the shoulders. There! We've got the square shape because we didn't pull out the sleeves. The sleeves are safely tucked away inside. They're not going to get any dust because they're protected by the outside jacket. And we have our square shape, so we're good to go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to flip it over. Because every time you fold something, you always fold with the back facing. We've already got our square shape, so we're good. So we get the peplum, and you fold it either side, doesn't matter, because it's just to make it flat. Get that flat. Then, because this jacket is bulky, we fold it. And then we fold it in half again. We can't do any fancy tucking in. So I'm just going to leave that neck tucked in. That doesn't look so great, does it? So let's just undo the neck, do the neck like that. That's just because I'm being fancy. Flat. And we're good. That's good, you can store that. If you're travelling, just leave it flat. And then you can pack other things on the other side, or you can even do the same thing with another jacket and have another jacket facing, and it makes the bottom. So that's your jacket. This is another way if you want it to look very nice, look stush. Fix the collar, turn it over. We're going to make sure that we've got the square shape. So get the peplum, gather it together, squish, do it to one side, doesn't matter what side, and we fold into rule of 3. So 1, 2, turn it over to check, yep, fiddle if you need to, jacket is in the middle, that's looking good, it's thin. Now we can just flip it over. It won't go into 3 because this is too bulky, so we fold it in half. And there's your jacket. It looks lovely, it's displayed. If you want to put something in there, you can, and it will look gorgeous. Jacket. Thank you for watching me fold my things that I've got a pilling, like a velvet, boucle, corduroy, needle cord, anything that's got like something that will pick up dust, and watching me do my favourite jacket. Hopefully that will help you with travelling and storing and loving getting more care for your beautiful jacket. And see you in another video, and go with glamour. Bye.